Hello po, good day. Balito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DS Lite. Aqua Green po natin. So, our stylus, andito po siya sa likod. Then, on na natin yung unit. So, pakita ko lang din yung charging ng ating DS Lite unit. Nakabit na rin po yung charger that's also included with your package sa aming outlet. Once you plug your charger just beside this green light, magkakaroon po tayo ng orange light. Ito ko lang. Ayan, so this indicates that our unit is charging. And then for our buttons naman, by the way, this order is going to Quezon City, Metro Manila. So our LR button, yung ating ABXY, directional buttons natin, and our select start. And touch B. Let's load our games. So, for your games, nilagay po namin siya sa separate folder para madali nyo po siya makita. Open nyo lang po yung game request folder. So, nandito yung mga Pokemon games natin, Zelda, Animal Crossing, yung mga request niya na Barbie, Cooking Mama, Dragon Ball, Naruto, Harvest Moon, and maraming pa pong iba. So, aside from your requested games, we have installed a few other games para ma-maximize din natin yung memory. Actually, for your order, this has over 300 to around 400 plus games na naka-install. So, maraming na rin po kayo mga games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. If you would like to check other games we have, open nyo lang yung ating DS Games folder naman. So, nandito yung mga Castlevania natin, Final Fantasy, Mega Man, ayan. Mga racing games, and marami pang iba. So, open natin isa sa game request ninyo. Which is one of the Pokemon games. Now, I'll be sending also photos sa chat natin of the other inclusions that we have for your package. So, okay na rin po yung inyong order. Bali, papack na din namin ito and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!